When it comes to your brakes, no noise is good.
But how do you know if that squeal, squeak, or grind will put your family at risk? Good morning, Indiana anchor Beth Vaughn teams up with Angie's List to translate the 3 most common brake sounds.
The moment you hear your brakes squeak, you think this could cost me big-time cash, or it could be nothing. Most people drive on, hoping the squeak vanishes. Some of those people get lucky.
It could be dirt. It could be the pads are starting to glaze over. Sometimes a couple of really good hard stops will fix that.
But on the other hand,
if your brakes squeak when you stop, that might just mean that your brakes need lubricated and don't need replaced. But if you do hear a high-pitched squeal that goes away when there's added pressure put to the brakes, that's a sign that you need new brake pads and should be checked out right away.
the sound that should cause your heart to pound is the grind. Some describe it as a low growl. That noise indicates rotor damage and a major safety issue.
If the brake pad is chewing into the rotor, that can cause that wheel to lock up, whether if it's on the front of the vehicle or the rear of the vehicle.
Angie's List says if the rotors are damaged, it's best to replace, not repair.
Nowadays, a lot of places are cheaper to replace pads and rotors than to resurface. You also get a much better brake job with a much better longevity of the pads.
The cost of a brake job can vary, but Angie's List says you can expect to pay $200 to $300 if you need only new pads. Double that if you need new rotors. Beth Vaughn, RTV6.